Unveiling the Sky, the Dual-Edged Role of Drones. In a world captivated by technological marvels, drones have soared to the forefront, reshaping landscapes below, from aiding disaster-stricken regions to silently prowling at warfronts. Yet their versatile nature poses dilemmas. Dive with us into the fascinating yet contentious realm of drone technology. Drones have become life-saving heroes when disasters strike, with the ability to swiftly deliver food and medicine to isolated victims and assess extensive damage. They revolutionize emergency responses. Imagine drones as the new first responders, providing a lifeline when traditional routes are impassable. Their bird's-eye view offers precise information, aiding in quicker decision-making. They can identify trapped individuals and assess structural damage, saving lives with their real-time data. As drone technology advances, so does its potential to mitigate human suffering, changing the dynamics of disaster management. In warfare, drones are silent allies, their significance extending far beyond reconnaissance. These flying machines deliver supplies, scout enemy locations, and bolster border security with unparalleled efficiency. Imagine a drone delivering aid to soldiers under siege or patrolling borders with unwavering vigilance. Their precision and capability to operate in harsh environments have transformed military strategies, yet their silent wings can sweep across battlefields, offering covert operational insights that redefine modern warfare's character and scope, making them indispensable, yet controversial. While drones enable positive change, they also often become tools for illicit deeds. Criminals exploit their agility for smuggling drugs, weapons, and contraband, bypassing traditional security measures. The same devices that save lives can be misused to endanger them, a reflection of dual-use dilemmas. Illegal surveillance further complicates the issue, as drones can conduct unauthorized spying without drawing attention. These actions pose ethical and privacy concerns, highlighting the need for stricter regulations to ensure technological progress doesn't compromise societal values. The challenge lies in harnessing drones' potential while curbing their misuse. As technology propels forward, so must our frameworks and policies to govern responsible drone use. Developing robust regulations, fostering public awareness, and enhancing drone security technology will be crucial in navigating these challenges. Engagement between tech innovators and policymakers is vital to address these dual-use complexities. By forging strong partnerships, we can encourage innovation while safeguarding against misuse, ensuring drones remain powerful allies in humanitarian and legitimate efforts. Technology holds the key to transformative change, but it is up to us to guide its impact. Join our community of enthusiasts and influencers who advocate for responsible tech usage. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on fascinating innovations reshaping our world. Together, let's steer the future of drones toward enhancing human well-being while safeguarding against potential abuses. Be part of the dialogue, challenge the norm, and contribute to a future where technology empowers rather than threatens our shared society.